Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts. Today I am going back in time a little bit to Monday the 20th and showing you my journaling for that day. And then for Wednesday the 22nd, which was yesterday. So get out your journals or your planners or a magazine and let's just be creative and have a little stress relief for a little while. So Monday the 20th, my kids, they wanted to do art. So we had these worksheets, how to draw worksheets, and it was like a little puppy dog. And then my son did an origami whale folding. And so I already had my dog drawn because I had taken my journal down and I was drawing the same dog on my journal while they were doing their artwork. So I loved it because it has such a long neck and it looks so silly. And so we called it the giraffe dog. And I think it's super cute. So I'm also sticking in the washi, the day of the week washi, and then all of those number ones. They come on rolls, at least the numbers, where like 1 through 16 is on one roll and then 17 through 31 is on another. So you kind of have to like go through the roll to get what number you need if you're not putting them on all your pages. So my filming area has like numbers stuck all over because I just wait to use them or I stick them in a future day, you know what I mean? So Henry brought his drawing up to me because once I was like, it looks like a giraffe dog. He thought that was hysterical. So then he made one that looked even more like a giraffe dog and he wanted me to put that in my journal. So I cut it out and I color it. So I just loved it. And then you'll see later that Addie gives me her dog too, which is really special looking. Ugh. I put, let's see, a Hong and Ding sticker up in the corner of like a really exasperated looking character because Henry was just having a case of the Mondays. So I put a cactus in there too because he was a little prickly. I don't know what his problem was, but we're all allowed to have moods. So he snaps out of it real quick. All you have to do is make him laugh and then he forgets what he was, upset about. So that's a-okay. We're all allowed to have our feelings. So I put his giraffe dog in there and then I'm coloring it in with Mildliners. I hadn't gotten out my new colored pencils yet on Monday, or else I would have used those. It would have been good. It's so much funny how different Mildliners look on Tomoe River paper versus like just regular old computer paper. Look how much darker they look. That's the same brown that I colored in my dog. It's just so crazy. It's weird how much the paper makes a big difference. And then I put in just like a little sticker from the American Crafts Seasons book that I like to use as like background. And then I printed out Sprocket photos of them holding up their artwork. And then I did a Sprocket photo of them laying in the hammock in the backyard because Michael put that up because it was really nice out. So they begged him to put up the hammock and then they were well, I would say laying in it, but they were mostly falling out of it was what they were doing. And then I was just journaling about the day. It was a beautiful day. I worked on Monday, so this was all stuff that was in the morning, but I know they took full advantage. And then Addie brought me her dog, which it looks like it has some sort all I can do is laugh. I love it so much. And I asked her what color she wanted it to be, and of course she wanted it to be purple. I took my Pigma Micron and I just outlined her lines that were in pencil so that they would be darker so that I could see them. And it just looks like such a dumb dog. Oh my god, it just looks so funny that it makes me laugh so hard. And then it kind of looks like it's rolling its eyes, and she made it that way. And I was like, of course you made a dog rolling its eyes. Oh, only Addie, I love her. Goodness gracious. That dog is probably my favorite. The look on its face. If you're new to this channel, then you didn't see the the picture that she drew me that I put in my journal earlier this year when I had to give my cat a glycerin suppository, and that it was just the perfect face for that situation. And I feel like this is comparable, this kind of like this dog face. I don't know. I guess you just have to be there right now. Oh, and then I'm just adding hearts. I'm trying to use up the rest of these sticker book sheets, random ones that I had pulled apart from like American Craft sticker books, and stuff like that. So skipping ahead, Wednesday, let's see, it was a busy day. I crossed a lot of stuff off the to-do list, which was pretty sweet, when that happens, you know. And there's where I'm doing the day of the week, the number washi, where you have to kind of find the number you're looking for. So a lot of times I'll just skip ahead and put it somewhere up ahead. And then, let's see, these are great when you're preparing pages, like if you like to do that, prepare your journal pages in advance. I've posted a lot of videos where I do that, and I just haven't lately because I hadn't been throwing down watercolor in my pages like I usually do, because typically I sit down and put watercolor in my pages and some stickers, just so they're not blank staring at me, but I never have got around to it the last couple of months. And then this day of the week, washi. It looks like, I think it's actually meant for like bullet journalers, but I love it. I'm taking off my fun cover so that I could fold it backwards on itself to kind of make it so it wasn't so humped over in the ditch there where it gets hard to write on. And then another Hong and Ding sticker with a little bunny and the books. It's just, you can't beat it. They're so cute. And just remember, if you get these stickers, there's also a lot of little background pictures around the stickers that aren't cut out, like easy to peel off, but it's all on the sticker paper. So you can cut it and just peel it off and use it as a sticker. And just random factoid there, if you never thought about it. And let's see, what else do I stick down? I don't know. Oh, it was a little Hong and Ding with an apple. He was like handing the teacher an apple. I'm so sorry. I don't know, that made me laugh. And then I glued in one of my Sugar and Sloth sticky notes. Very important things I must not forget. I thought it was cute, and I wanted to do a little bit of journaling on that, about how I got done some things that I wanted to mail out, stuff like that. So I just did that on the sticky note, and then used my good old HP Sprocket and printed out some pictures. If you have it, download the Pick Stitch app, and you can combine your pictures together. Make sure at the bottom you change your aspect ratio to either 4:3 or 3:4. And then you can export those to your camera roll, and then you can save your Sprocket paper by printing out more than one photo at a time, which is pretty awesome. And so I printed out pictures of Addie and I. We went for a hike yesterday. It was a walk for one of her Girl Scout badges. She had to plan a hike, and we had to make our own trail mix and make sure we packed, sunscreen and water and all the things. And so that was a picture from us on our walk. And I put Mushi hike, which is kind of an inside joke. My son, we always call her Sissy. And somehow Henry turned that into sushi one time. So that's why you'll hear him call her Sushi or Sushina or something like that. It just kind of has evolved. So, or Sush. He calls her Sush a lot. So whenever we're on a team for something, like when we play cards or board games, Addie thinks it's hilarious to call us Team Mushi, Mommy and Sushi. So it was our Mushi hike. And I used some of the collage, that bag of almonds, because we made our own trail mix with almonds, pretzels, and banana chips. and then some more collage that get it done I thought was funny. And the cat stickers of the cats laying on each other, that was Henry and Michael. While we went for the hike, they laid at home. They had no interest in going for a walk with us, so I thought that was funny. And then I put in pictures of the kids jumping rope. Michael, over the last couple of days, has taught them how to jump rope, like, you know, where you jump into the rope and two people are doing it, you know? And so that's pretty funny. They think it's hilarious, and they make up different moves and stuff, so that was fun. And let's see. Oh, I took a picture of Addie sitting down by the water around the lake that we went for a walk around. I thought that was so cute. And then the collage of the basketball hoop. They were playing knockout in the backyard. It's basketball. And oh, I love my sheet of stickers. I ordered from Willawalaco a long time ago. And it is the Gertie with a pizza, because pizza is my favorite food. So I ordered that sampler a long time ago, and I hoard them because I don't want to waste them. But Michael makes the best like homemade pizza on the grill, and he made that the other night, so we were having that for leftovers. So I put Gertie with the pizza on there. And oh man, I think that's just about it. Finishing up some of my stickers. I put in one of my LJ sunshine and cloud stickers up at the top, and that sticker sampler I just showed you guys, somebody sent me, and it is from Life's a Peach, and I want to use them, but I can't for the life of me figure out what they are. Can somebody tell me? Take a screenshot when I show you them very quickly, sorry, and tell me what they are, because I feel like a real dummy, but I don't know. And let's see, what am I doing now? Got out one of the sticker books was leftovers from one that you guys sent me, and I think it was Heidi Swap, and just a few of those. I like the one that said challenge accepted, because they kept trying to challenge each other to different jump rope moves, like the compass and the swivel. They like to name their own moves. Oh Lord, it's funny. And then I think I was just journaling in that tiny little square that I vacuumed, and that it was a productive day. Just crossed stuff off the to-do list. I was on call for work, and then I got canceled for the last half, so that was really nice because I got a lot of stuff done at home, which was very cool. And then, okay, so I want to show you guys the most beautiful washi tape, I'm not exaggerating, that I've ever seen. Okay, so I ran out of room on Wednesday, so I ended up putting it on Thursday, but I ordered this washi on Amazon because don't ask me why. I was up at 2 a.m. looking at Amazon Prime the other night, and I searched for vintage floral washi or something like that just to see what they had. And I found this set. It's called Flower and Fruit, and I will link it below, but it is so beautiful. And this set of 4 rolls was, I think, $8, which I think is a good deal. And it is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Even the box it comes in is pretty, but it almost looks like, so there's 4 different rolls, and there's like different kind of vintagey looking florals, and then little like lemon tree kind of things, and oranges, and then different little blossoms. You guys, I know I've said it's pretty 1,000 times, but you need to immediately log on to Amazon and find this washi tape. Like I said, I'll link it for you, but it's so pretty. I'm ashamed because once I opened it and got it, I was doing this in my journal, and I stopped my journaling in the middle of it and went on and ordered another one. And I do not do that. I don't hoard things like that. But as soon as I saw it, it was like so pretty to me that I was like, I must order another one. I cannot run out of it. And I was just thinking about setting up my next, my next half of the planner and journal. And I was like,
I need more. I need more.
so I'll link it for you below, but I just think it's so pretty. And maybe it's just this obsession with the florals that I've had lately. But man, is it pretty. And I love how it's like different patterns. It kind of looks like quilted and vintage. Obsessed, you guys, obsessed. And on that note, I will see you guys later. I guess that's all the journaling that I have. I hope that you guys are hanging in there and that this spring weather is making things a little bit more bearable. Treat yourself and buy that washi because it's so stinking pretty and cheap. I mean, that's inexpensive, I think, for 4 rolls. So there you go. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.